My name is Michelle Maloney. I am a mother, teacher, and now a Google trainer for my district, Worcester Public Schools in Worcester, Mass., the second largest city in New England with over 25,000 students speaking over 90 languages. I have been teaching for 16 years. The last 9 have been in 4th grade at Worcester Arts Magnet School. In addition to teaching, I have led many professional developments around literacy both in district and nationally. My students deserve the very best. In an effort to meet the needs of our diverse learners, our district is making an effort to get devices into the hands of all our students, as well as train all our staff in G Suite for Education. Using Google tools in my classroom has enriched my curriculum beyond words. By creating a blended learning environment, I am facilitating their learning as they explore various subject matter in a way which promotes collaboration and problem solving. The success and growth of my most struggling learners has motivated me to provide instruction in Google tools for my coworkers. I wanted to motivate my students to improve on their writing and to set their own personal goals and to follow through on those goals and succeeding in them. So, what I did was I created a template for each child in which I gave an example of individual scores in all of the elements that we focus on in writing. I inserted or formatted conditional formats for each column so that it would highlight when it reached the maximum score for that element. Then I had the kids go ahead and input their very first writing assignment. Now, this was for grade 4. So these kids are around 9 or 10 years old. And they were able to do that. They were able to, with guidance, to input the scores for each one. And they got very excited when they saw that it highlighted because they had reached that goal. And so then we looked at that information. I taught lessons based on it, and they set goals based on it. And then it came time to input their next story, which they did. And again, many were thrilled and excited with the growth. One child in particular was still not quite getting the concept. And so what I did was we sat together and we went ahead and we highlighted some data and we inserted charts. And we were able to see the growth visually. This is, how we used to do things when we would color in rockets or color in columns and put them up on the wall. But here it was right there, able to see whenever he needed that motivation, able to go back and look at, and able to share with his parents. Definitely something that I'm going to use for years to come because of his excitement and the results that it had with him.